So, yung mga ka-charms, for today's page pa natin sa dito. Mas may pa ba tayo? So, sa'yo kayo ang ato ang deliver. Ticket. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You like it? Wow. Happy birthday, baby.
I'm not a baby anymore.
Oh my God. Sorry. Happy birthday. What can you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. So,
It's gonna be on the beach.
wow.
I'm gonna invite all the girls, teacher Jess and teacher Clyde.
Okay. Enjoy your day, baby. You're not a baby anymore.